anthracite grey is such a popular colour for windows and doors now, especially bifolds. The framework doesn't reflect light the way that white does on the inside, so you draw more towards looking through the glass rather than looking at the frame, so it does actually feel thinner than it is. Now this door has a standard black hardware pack, but with anthracite grey, many of our customers tend to opt for stainless steel, which gives a nice contrast, but the black works equally as well. Nice and easy to operate. The main traffic door, that's the busy door in the house, easy to open, stops on a magnetic stop, and then simply glides across, opening the house to the garden. I don't know if you can hear the birds today as well, it's lovely out.
Oh, every day.